Good morning, traders. Welcome to Basic I Trade. Um, Here is my take on XAUUSD based on MSNR combined with SMC. This is what I always look for. I want to see my bias first, and my bias I will need to see a daily rejects a daily key zone, and when a daily rejects a daily key zone, I will move to a lower time frame, one time frame lower, to look for a break of structure. So now you can see daily rejecting a daily key zone, and I move to a 4-hour. Right, on the 4 hours time frame, we did have a break of structure. As you can see, we had a break of structure right here. So after market breaking my structure, what I need to do is to look for a key zone where I can continue the sell to the downside, since we confirm a bearish move to the downside. Now looking at this, I need to look for the closest zone to current price, and on a daily I can see a QM on the daily time frame. Those who trade MSNR will understand this. I can see a QM on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I want to see price reaction at that zone, because this zone is not at a discount zone. So I'm selling this with more confirmation. So if I get a good confirmation before I can sell at this zone. Alright. So the best thing to do is just mark out your key zone and wait for price action on them. Now we have a good zone above a discounted zone. We have a discounted zone right there. We have a good discounted zone that we can sell from. This price is more trusted. I trust this zone more than any other zone. I will trust this zone more than the one below, because the one below is not at a discounted zone. So I will wait patiently for what price will do, and if price breaks that high above, then we'll have more buys to the upside. Why? Because we are currently reacting from a daily key zone. We are currently reacting from a daily key zone. And now, if we go to the daily time frame, if you can just move to the daily time frame, let me see. So if you go to the daily time frame, you see we are also reacting from what? From a QM. You can see we are reacting from a daily key zone. We are currently reacting from a daily key zone, but we haven't had a break of structure on the 4 hours. So we are still bearish, because our bias is telling us that we are going for more sales, because yesterday daily rejecting a daily, we had a break on the 4 hours. So now going to the 1 hour time frame to refine my zone, you can see more touches. You can see more touches on the lower time frame, and also we have a liquidity below that zone. We have liquidity below that zone, which makes it a little bit valid, but I will not trust this zone. I'll wait for more confirmation, like market taking out this low. If market takes out that low, then I would go for more sales to the downside. So I'll patiently wait to see how price will react at this zone. If price does not give me a clear reaction at that zone, then I will go for the one above, because I trust the one above more than the one below, because it has a discounted zone. So I'll wait patiently if New York session will push into this zone. Also, we have fundamentals today, so fundamental can just push price to the upside, and then we have a sell to the downside. So this zone down here is not trusted, so I'll wait patiently for more confirmation on that zone. It's either price takes out this low, and if price takes out that low, close below, then I'll look for sells to the downside. So I think with this, just waiting patiently for market to align with your direction. You wait for lower time frame confirmation. So if you don't get the confirmation, then no trade for you for that day. So if you do like this video, kindly like, share, and thank you guys for always liking and reacting on my posts. So thank you guys, and